Okay, welcome to module 7 of this video course. In this module, we are going to talk about an introduction to Capcut. Okay, this is where we are going to really go in depth into the process of editing with Capcut. All right, but before we do all of that, it is very important that we introduce the app that we are going to be using throughout the process of this course. Okay, and the app is known as Capcut. If you're new to Capcut, then you need to follow me carefully, because this is an app that you can use to edit your videos, and this app is very popular, especially to those who edit videos using their smartphone. Okay, so I'll go into the app and show you the interface of the app. All right, so what we are going to do now, look at the app here, look at it at the top right here. All right, I'm going to show you how to download the app, just in case you have not downloaded it to your phone. I'll show you how to download it, and then we'll go straight to the interface. All right, so follow me. You're going to go to your phone here. You're going to go to your phone and check for your Google Play Store. Open your Google Play Store, and then you will come to the search area. Hold on, you open the search area. At the top here, you're going to type Capcut. Okay, you're going to type Capcut. That is in case you don't have it on your phone. If you have it on your phone, then you can skip this process. Okay, you type it, and once you type it, you're going to see install. You see this place is showing update because I've already installed it to my phone. Are you seeing these updates now? Okay, in your own case, it's going to be showing you install. That's if you have not installed it to your phone yet. Mine is showing me updates because I already have it on my phone. Okay, it's telling me to update. I'll do the updating later, but for now, just make sure you click on install. Once you click on install, it will be installed onto your phone. Now, once you install it on your phone, you're going to come back to your phone and check for the app. All right, you will see the app amongst all your app arrangement here. So what you're going to do is to click and open the app. So I'm going to click on it now, so I'll show you the interface. All right, so this is the initial thing you are going to see when you open Capcut for the first time, because this app has been upgraded. Okay, there's a free version and there's a pro version. There's a free version and a paid version. All right, but for you that is just starting out, you should go with the free version, except if you have money and you want to use the paid version. Although the advantage of the paid version is that you can use more tools. All right, you can use more of the tools, more of the features on the app. Okay, so for now, just use free version. All right, so when you open Capcut, this is what you are going to see initially. All right, forget about all these ones that you see up here. All these ones that you see up here, forget about them for now, because they are related to AI and other tools that you may not understand. Okay, so this is all the project. This place you are seeing projects now. These are all the projects I've done. There are very many. I had to delete all of them because of the sake of this video. I deleted a lot of them just so we can have space to do this video very well. Okay, so this is where you're going to see all of your projects that you have done before. From the very first time you start using this app, you're going to be seeing all your projects underneath this place, and you can come back here and re-edit them. Let's say you have exported, you have saved everything you have edited, and you still want to retouch it, you still want to work on something or change something, you come to this place and you're going to find what you have just exported. You're going to find your project. Okay, so everything we do when it comes to video editing, when you edit a job and you complete it very well, it is called a project. Are you getting now? Once you have saved it, whether you have saved it, you've not saved it, or maybe you were working and somebody called you and you went to do something and then you come back, the work will be saved here. Are you getting now? Now, the beautiful thing about this is there is a laptop version and there's a smartphone version, meaning you can use this on your laptop or on your smartphone. Okay, But for the sake of this course, you know that we are talking about smartphone video editing. Okay, that's why I'm showing you everything in the phone version. Okay, so that's that. Next thing now, once you come in here for the first time, in your own case, you're not going to see all of these videos here, project. You won't see anything, you'll just see it blank. So for you to now start using the app, you have to go to new project. All right, you have to click on new project. So I'll click on new project. All right, once you click on new project, it will open you to where you have videos on your smartphone. Are you getting now? It will send you to where you have videos on your smartphone. You get it now? So before we do anything, we have to pick a video. All right, I'm showing you how to import a video now. So we are going to import one video now. So let me just import this one that this guy is sitting down, lying down with a laptop. I'll just click on it. So you pick any video you want. All right, and then you come to this place that says add. Are you seeing now? You just click on add, and once you click on add, it will be added to the workspace. Are you getting now? So click on add. Are you seeing now? It's already added. You get it now? So we will not go ahead with editing. I'll just show you the interface. All right, let me show you the interface. So this place that you see this guy lying down with his laptop, that is large, that is the workspace. Are you getting it now? That is the workspace. That's where you're going to be seeing everything you have done in full. Now this place you are seeing, that's the play button. If you tap on it once, it's going to play the video. Are you getting now? Let me play the video now so you can see. We tap it once, you can see the video is playing. All right, the video is playing. It's a voiceless video which I downloaded from a platform. Okay, I'm going to tell you about where you can download free videos. All right, that is the play button. Now if you want to see what you have edited in a big screen, you want to see it in the whole screen of your phone, you click on this place that you see, this box here. You're going to click on it once. Are you seeing it now? Once you click on it once, it will expand it to size your phone. Are you seeing it now? Now if you want to go back and reduce it to the normal editing interface, you come down here, look at this again, this same box, you click on it once. Once you click on it once, it will go back to normal. Are you seeing it now? That is that. I hope you get that. Okay, let's go to the next thing. Now supposing you downloaded this video and it has music, it has voice, but you don't want the voice to play, you want to do another voice on top of it, but you want to kill the original voice that was there, that is remove the sound totally. You are going to come to this place that says mute clip video. Can you see it here? Mute clip video. So I'm going to click on it once. If this video had a sound and we want to remove it, we just come to this mute clip audio and we click on it once. Once you click on it, you see the ways, you see what it's showing. Let me go back and click on it. Once you click on it, it's showing you original sound of all clips muted. Can you see? Let me remove it again and click on it again. Let me click on it. Original sounds of all clips muted. Are you getting it now? I've muted all the sound, but since we don't have a sound on the video, we can just remove the muting of the video. Are you getting now? Now that's that. Let's say you want to, let's even start from this place now. Let's continue with this place. You can see this place now. This is just the keyframes. All right, these are the keyframes. Are you seeing it now? As it moves, your video moves. Are you seeing it now? As it moves, your video moves, or as your video plays, it moves. Now let me play the video so you see it moving. Now I'll play the video. Can you see it moving? Can you see it moving? Are you seeing it now? Good. So that's your keyframe, that's your timing where you see what is happening. Are you getting it now? Okay, look at this place that you see cover here. this place that you see cover here, if you want to add a cover to your video, all right, a cover is what people will first see the first time they stumble on your video. The first thing they will see, that's a cover. So you can click on it. Once you click on it, it will open you up to your gallery on your phone where you have pictures. Then you pick any picture you want to use as your cover. That is more applicable to when you are doing videos for TikTok or you're doing videos for YouTube. Are you getting it now? But I won't go into that for now. Now you can see this other place down here, this place that says add audio. That's where we can add our music. All right, there's another way to do it. I'll still show you, but that's where if you want to add music to this video now, that's where we can add music. Okay, now let's look at all these features that are down. Let's look at all these features, all these tools. What are they used for? Let's look at them. This first one you see here is for editing your video. You want to cut your video, you want to add new colors, you want to add different things, you want to make it black and white. Are you getting now? That's where you do all of your editing. We want to increase the volume of something, that's where you edit all those things. If you click on it now, it will take us to another, it will open up another basket of features again, which I'll not go into that one for now because there's so much to talk about here. Now that is for the first one. The second one, which is audio, is for editing all your sounds. Are you getting now? Okay, before we go to the audio, let me open this edit so you see what is inside. We click on this edit. Can you see? So this is to split. Can you see split? So if I want to cut the video now, if I want to cut the video, let's say I want to cut out something, I'll come to this place where I don't like, I will click on split. Are you seeing? Once I click on split, it has separated the video. So you can pick either you want to delete this one, you click on delete. Are you seeing delete here? Or I come to this one and click on delete. Once I click on delete, it's going to be deleted. Let me delete it. Can you see? That part has gone. So we only have this part. Are you seeing it now? Now if I want to get, let's say I want to undo, I mistakenly deleted and I want it back, I'm going to click on this arrow that you see here, this arrow that is pointing back, this arrow here. I'll click on it and it will return my deleted file. All right, once you return it, maybe I want to undo the split again. I want to undo the cutting that I just did. I will still click on that arrow backwards and it will change everything back to normal. Are you getting it now? So you can see that's under what? That's under edit. Let me open the edit again so you see what is there. Are you seeing now? So that is split. Look at the second one. The next second one there is speed. Can you see speed? If I want to increase the speed of my video, I will click on it and it will open different options for me. If I want to add animation to the video, you can see the animation of the video. I'll click on animation. It will add animations to the video. If I want to add effect to the video, I can add effect. If I want to delete, I can delete. If I want to enhance the voice, I can do that. If I want to isolate, I can also do that. If I want to retouch it, I can do that. If I want to do camera tracking, you may not need this for now because you are just starting out. You don't need all those ones. If I want to increase volume, you can see volume. If I click on volume now, you can come here and increase volume. Are you seeing? You can increase or decrease the volume. And you click on OK and it's going to be there. Are you seeing now? So I'll bring that back. Come back to edit again. Can you see? So these are all the options we have for the edit. If I want to cut the video to size, all right, I'm going to come to this transform. Click on transform once. Are you seeing it now? And if I want to rotate the video, see the rotates now. If I click this rotate, can you see it's rotating? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? See the way it's rotating, Abby? If I want to mirror, see it? Aha. If I want to resize the video, I'll come here and click on this one. Click on it once and you can see I can resize the video to different aspect ratio. I can resize it to this one, I can resize it to this one, I can resize it to this one. But the best way to do it is to first leave it at the beginning. Let me reset. Are you seeing now? I leave it at this one, and then you come here and cut it to the size that you want. Are you getting now? You cut it to the size that you want, but we are not doing that now because we have not started editing. I'm just showing you the different aspects of the editing feature. Can you see now? You can come here and auto reframe. That's it for pro version. You can come here and adjust. All right, you can adjust that. You can come here and increase the video quality if you want it to be HD, to be sharp. All right, you can come here and change color, this filter here. You can come here and remove background. If I want to remove the background of this guy and add another background, I can do it here. See this one? Leave this one that has pro version. You can come here and do overlay. All right, we're going to talk about all of these things later on. Now look at this part. You can see this part that says duplicate. If I want to duplicate the video 2 times, I'll click on this place. If I want to duplicate maybe text or maybe sound, I will click on that duplicate. It will be duplicated. It will copy it and turn it to 2. Are you getting it now? If I want to replace something, I'll click on replace. If I want to extract audio, which I'm going to show you later, maybe you like a music, but you want to use that music on your video, you can come here and extract the audio. If you want to do motion blur, you want to blur your video, you can come here and do your blurring. If you want to stabilize, you can come here and stabilize. All right, look at all these things. You may not need these ones here depending on what you want to achieve for your video. Okay, now this is where you add effect to your audio. All right, you may not need all of that, but see what one of the things you majorly need: this reduce noise. If maybe you were recording and there was noise in the background, you can come to this reduce noise and clean the noise off. Once you click on reduce noise, let me click on it. Once you push this button now, this button here, once you push it to the right, it's going to clear the voice. All right, you push it to the right and click on this good sign, it's going to clear the noise for you. Are you getting now? That's what I use whenever I'm cleaning my noise. Okay, so that's under the edit version. Let's go back. That's under the edit option. Now we have finished that one. Come to audio. Can you see audio now? Under audio you have sounds. That's if you want to add music. Okay, so this one is for if you want to add sound effects like clapping, like applause, like people cheering and all of that. Are you getting now? You come here and click that. Now if you want to add text to your audio, you can do that here, but I don't use that most of the times. This is where you can also extract sound. All right, you can extract your music. And if you want to do voiceover, maybe you are walking on the street, you enter a shop and you are pricing something you want to buy, and then you're telling us the story, you want to talk over the video, you click on this record, and once the video is playing, you are recording on top of it and it will be doing your voiceover for you. Are you getting now? Okay, so that's that part. That's under the audio section. Now the next section that you see here now is the text. This is for if you want to add text. Anything that is concerned with your text, you're going to come to that place and touch it. All right, let me enter it now so you see. Now this is where you add text. This is where you add stickers. All right, this is where you add auto captions. I'm going to talk about these auto captions later when you want to do captions. Okay, now text to audio. This is for, I think this works with AI. All right, text template. If you want a template for your text. Auto lyrics. Maybe you're a musician and you want to do lyrics that is playing on the screen while your song is singing. This is if you want to draw on your video. Are you getting now? But I don't use that. Okay, so let's go out from this place. Take your time to watch this video very well, because I'm going to explain everything clearly so you don't miss anything. All right. Okay, now let's go to the other parts. Let's look at the other features. We've talked about text. Now look at this overlay. Okay, you can come here and add maybe a picture to your video, or you want to add a video to your video. Now this is effects. If you want to add effects to your videos, okay, this is captions. If you want to add captions to your videos, this is aspect ratio. Now let me talk a little bit about this aspect ratio. Let's say you want to shoot your video for TikTok. Maybe you have shot the video, but you are posting it on TikTok. You know you are not going to be putting the video the way it's lying down like this. Are you getting now? Let me explain what I mean. If you click on this aspect ratio now, click on it, you can see this part under. You can see. So if you want to put your video on TikTok, then you have to change the aspect ratio to this second one that you see, 9:16. All right, I'll click on it like this. Can you see? It has changed it to TikTok size. Are you getting now? So what you now do is to use your fingers and enlarge the video. Are you seeing it? I won't do all of that for now because we are not editing yet. All right, so if you want to post your video on YouTube, you click on this one. If you want to post your video on Instagram, you click on this one, and then once you click on it, you click on this good mark, and then from there you start editing. Are you getting now? So these are the settings you need to understand before you just go ahead to edit. So I'm going to remove that. Right, I'm going to go back to original and I'll remove that. Are you seeing now? So that's aspect ratio. So this is filter. If you want to change color, you want to edit the color, you want to make it bright or not bright, that's filter. The same goes with for this adjust, and then you have stickers, and then you have backgrounds. Okay, so this is everything about the interface of your Capcut. Are you getting now? So take your time to watch this video over and over again so you can actually understand the interface. All right, in the next module we are going to start editing a simple video, so you see how I do editing, so that you can fully understand how to edit on your smartphone. Are you getting it now? I believe you're learning something. I'm going to see you in the next module.